So hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Premiere Pro for video editing. I'm going to teach you all the essential options that you need to do, and at the end of this video you will learn, you will come to know all the essential tools which are required must for video editing. Okay, so let's start. First, just go to Premiere Pro and start it. Actually now, just sometime before, recorded a video of how to design nut and bolt assembly in SolidWorks. So I'm going to edit that video. So whenever you open the Premiere Pro, you will be greeted with this user interface at the first. Okay, so here just click on new project. After new project, here you will have to give the project name. So I will keep it as it is, untitled. And the next important thing is project location. So here you can choose your custom project location from the choose location app. I already selected it to the Neeraj and recording. Okay. Now, after you go here, you will have to select the recording where your recording has been saved. So my recording has been saved in D. Here, Neeraj recording. Okay, so here my recordings have been saved. Now here you will find where is your recording. Okay, so this is my recording. Just click on that recording and here click on create. Now once you click on create, you will be greeted. Okay. Now, once you click on import, here the video is imported onto the timeline. So before first you was on the home tab. From here, from the home tab, you went onto the import tab where you imported the video, and now you are into the edit mode. Okay, so when I recorded this, I don't want this frame. So the very first option is the select option. So with the select option, you can select the timeline and other tools also. Okay, so if you click on razor, you cannot select. Okay, so now because I'm onto the select tool and I recorded this video using the OBS Studio, so I don't want this frame. I just want to cut it. So how will I cut it? I can move forward in the video by dragging this timeline. Okay, dragging this bar on along the timeline. Now I also voice over on the video. So this bar, the upper bar is video and the lower bar is audio. You can also separate them to edit them individually. How? Just click on them, left click, then right click, go to unlink. So see, now the bar, the video bar and the audio bar can be selected separately. Now, suppose I don't want this frame, I need to cut this frame. So what I will do, I will just zoom in. If you want to zoom in middle of the video, at the end of the video, or at the starting of the video, you will just bring this bar line timeline, and you will click on this point and just drag this point near to the second point. And in this way, the video will be zoomed in. Now the video is zoomed in. Now here you can observe that where I began talking. Okay, where I began the voiceover. So here there is lines. That means the voiceover I started at this one. So I will drag up till and I will hit here on to play to listen. Okay. So hello YouTube, this is a so here's the point where I started the video. So the previous portion, if I don't want, I will go to the razor tool and I will just cut it from here. Okay. Once you cut it, you will just select here shift delete. Great. So once you select the razor tool and cut both the audio and video, now select both audio and video. You can select by dragging, and always remember press shift and D. Okay. So the starting portion I have deleted. Now again zoom out, and I think I did not take any gap while recording this video. I will not have to edit any of the internal, so I will just edit the outer side. Okay, the last portion. So here at the last, again I will just zoom in again over here. So now what I will do is I will play the video and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Okay, so for here it's a lot after that I want to cut again. So again select and cut both audio as well as video. Now go to select tool, select both and press shift and delete. From here where I text and stay tuned. Okay, so from here stay tuned. I want to add a text. So here down there is text tool. So click on text tool, then hover on to the video and left click. So after left click, you can add here text. So I will add thanks LOT. Now because the text background is white, so it is not visible. So just drag and select all. Right click, edit properties. Now here change the color to red and also tick onto the stroke and here change it to a little bit light red. Okay, so see, now to close this panel, just click on this three dot and click on close panel. Okay, you can drag out these panels as you want, whatever size you want. Okay, so see, thanks a lot text has been added. Okay, now again go to the select tool, and here the thanks a lot I want it in the middle, so select it. Okay, it is zooming out, so zoom it out a little bit. Again select and move it in the between. Okay, so see, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Okay, so this way the thanks a lot timeline is too big, and always add a text. The text is added on the upper side of the video bar. So this is the video bar and this is the text bar. Now this portion of the text, that is this thanks a lot, this I want to end it at the end of this video. Okay, so what I will do, again I will go to the razor tool and I will just cut it from here. Okay, after cutting, again go to select tool, select this remaining portion, shift delete. So I've deleted the part. Now I will what do, I will just go the starting of the video. So I will just first zoom out and then I will, so this makes it easy. And again zoom in, and here again go to text in between, and here I will type welcome. Again go to select, I think it's in between only. Okay, welcome. I will just increase the size. Okay, now so hello YouTube, this is a video on SolidWorks where we are going to design nut and bolt assembly. So take a new part. Okay, so till here to extend till here. So what I will do, I will select this text, hover onto the end part of the text till this kind of symbol appears, and then I will just drag it up till the timeline and give the left click. Okay, so it has been added till here, 10 bolt assembly. So take seamless. Okay, so now what I will just do, again zoom out. So I've added text at the starting and I have added the text at the end. Now what I will do, so video is 15 minutes. So if I want this video to be a little bit fast, so how I can make it fast, I will just have to select the video, click on left click, here go to speed and duration, and here suppose it is 100, which means it is 1x. Now if I want it to be 2x, so I will make it 200. That is, I have increased the speed by 100%. Okay, make sure you click onto the ripple edit. So once you click here, click OK. So see, the video which was 15 minutes something is now it is 7.5 minutes, right? For 15, how you can see. So I'm unable to spot the time over here. So I will just make it at the end, make the timeline at the end, and I will zoom in. Once I zoom in, I can see the time. Okay, above. Again, zoom in, zoom in. I see, it is 7 minutes 44 seconds. But adjusted the time according to this. So if you want to adjust the time, just right click on the time. Here also go on speed and duration, make it 200. And now here maintain audio pitch is an option. So I have not selected maintain audio pitch. Now if I don't select maintain audio pitch, see what happens. Click on OK. So see, the video is also taken, the audio is also taken till that part. Okay, now just play. Because I have not maintained the pitch of the audio, it has increased the pitch of the audio because I have increased the speed. So I will just undo it, Control Z. Again I will go right click, speed and duration. I will make it 200, but this time I will check onto the maintain audio pitch and now click on OK. So now if I select, now this will take time. It will take time for it to calculate. After this, I will also tell you how you can increase the uh, strength of the audio. Okay, the volume of your audio. Also sometimes the recording is not so good. Okay, so see. And drop polygon. Now give the dimension between these two sides as 20 mm. Select this edge and make it horizontal. Go to features extrude. Here select medium and dimension keep 9. So the speed has also increased of the video as well as the audio speed has also increased. Now I don't want it to be increased. So what I will do is I will trace Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Now suppose this audio strength, how you will visualize this audio strength? This audio strength you can visualize from this bar. So if I play and draw polygon, now give the dimension between these two sides. So whatever is the level of this audio, from here you can visualize the strength of the audio. This edge. So suppose if I want to increase the volume of this audio, I will just pause the video. So go on to select the audio. From here, go to window, drop down, select here essential sounds. Click on to dialog, and here if you want to increase the volume of the clip, so here you can increase. So check onto the level, and suppose I want it till 10 or well. Okay, now just close the panel from here, and now if you play again, go to features, extrude. Here select mid plane. So see the audio level has increased. Okay. And dimension keep 9. So this is how you can make the simple editing. I will teach you how to add text, how to cut the video, how to make it fast and slow, how to separately select the audio and video. Okay, then how to increase the volume of the audio. Now the ultimate part is the export of the video. So for export, just click here export. Now once you click here export, you will see that the output video, what is the resolution of the video. So this resolution is the resolution that you recorded the video with. Okay, what was the frame rates, and what will be the size of the video. So this video is estimated size is going to be 8865 MB. Now from here you can rename the video as you want. Suppose I want it text, so I give random name. Okay, so after giving the random name, you can also select the location where you want to export, and then you can just hit onto the export tab. After you click on to export, then it will export the video for you. Now this time will depend on the system performance of your system. Okay,